Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm excited to announce the winner for my giveaway that I had shared in my last video. I just want to thank every one of you that had entered. I'm so overwhelmed by the amount of entries that wanted to be part of the giveaway. I wish I could give each and every one of you a gift, but I'm only going to gift this to one winner. But I've decided to also give you guys another chance to win a little mini prize as well, and I will do that in this video. So this is the complete prize pack that the winner will receive, and I will link down below the video if you want to have a more detailed look at the prizes. And the mini giveaway for your chance to also win a prize is this cute little pack that I've put together. I'll just put this to the side. This is the main prize. This little pack contains a little vellum pocket that I made with 4 coin envelopes, and these have like an angle cut opening in the coin envelope. I did a tutorial on how you could make these with a 6x6 paper. So you get a random 4 of these coin envelopes. They also come with a coordinating little banner shaped tag, and I didn't, well, this is how I've made my one. I wound some crochet string around the closure with the little tag, and that can keep the coin envelope closed. And there's this little banner tag, and you can write a little note on the back if you wanted to do that. So I didn't punch the hole on these little banner tags. I thought I'd leave that for you if you don't want to use it as a tag but you want to use this as embellishments. I thought I will leave that plain, and each one will come with that coordinating banner tag. So that one goes with that, and this one goes with this one, and then these two go for these coin envelopes. And I decided I wanted to give another little prize to my subscribers, because I just feel like you're all so lovely, leaving all comments and watching my videos. I thought I'd do another little mini gift, and so I have done 3 of these little sets. So I'm going to gift 3 of these little packs to one of my subscribers each, and I'll announce the winner now. I'll just put these away. And with this little pack, I'm going to add a couple more little extra bits and pieces to go with your little mini giveaway as well. We'll go with this one first, and we'll announce the winner for the main prize. And I have announced the winner, and that is going to be Black Coffee and Wildflower. So congratulations to Black Coffee and Wildflower for your giveaway prize. I will have this package for you, and I'll have this ready sent in the mail. If you could just leave me your email, your details by emailing me your address, and I'll have this package ready. And I'll just put that there so you can see. So that is the winner for that. And the winner for one of these 3 packs is Sue D. So she will receive one of these packs. Shirley O'Hearn 4982, and there's one for her. And the last winner is Margie Ryan 6220, and these 3 will be the winner for my little mini giveaway packs. So I'm going to have these packaged for you ladies as well as for Black Coffee and Wildflower. So congratulations to the winners for the giveaway. If you could email me your address so I can have these posted out to you. My email is down below this video for you, or you can contact me on my Instagram and direct message me on my Instagram if you follow me there as well. But this is a lovely giveaway prize that I'm so excited to gift to the winners. So congratulations again, and hopefully I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.